Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. This morning, it's October 30th. We're out here doing our morning ritual. We've moved the chickens around. We use the ATV, it makes it easy. And then we take and we'll let them out with our little simple setup. And they're always ready to come out. They're friendly because we've been out here enough, but and then we'll give them some corn. Mr. Rooster he had to get his attention, but he'll come over and he'll eat some, then he'll let me put it on the ground. Anyway, this is permaculture at its finest. And we've also got a little treat for them this morning. We've got a couple of small pumpkins that's been sitting in there. Here you go. There you go. They haven't had that. Imagine after they get it. Also got a couple of little red curry squash. We'll put these out here too. And they'll have that little treat. Now, when I say permaculture, now they've only been here 2 days, but it rained, and so they've really did a job on this spot. Now it's not so rough where they were under where the coop actually kept the rain off the ground, but in the outer part it is pretty rough. But this is the way it looks after they've been 2 or 3 days. Now this limestone, this used to be my RV park, and these were some of the sites, so it's grassed over, which we sent them out, let them eat that grass. But anyway, this is the way the routine goes every day here on the Povey farm. And if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Happy gardening.